We'd like to welcome you to the Candy Swick and Company website. We're here today to meet William M. Seider, formerly known as Bill, who is the president of Williams Parker Law Firm. And I'm going to let Bill introduce himself and tell you a little bit about the law firm and its outstanding services.
Thank you, Candy. It's great to be here and be a part of the website, by the way.
Thank you.
As Candy mentioned, I'm from the Williams Parker Law Firm. We have 43 attorneys, which makes us the largest firm in this 4-county region. We offer services in real estate, trial work, business and tax, and also trusts and estates.
Wow.
We're a broad service firm. Unless you need criminal representation or divorce, we can probably handle it for you.
I think the most important issue here is to also know that if you would like to contact Bill Seider, you may do so. The information is on the website. And one of the other things that I wanted to make sure that Bill talked to you about is so many times you'll sell a property and you'll go to closing and you're going to be reviewing these issues, and the law firm is there. That's why we choose to work with law firms. They give us great advice and they're there for our clients versus someone that's not an attorney and doesn't have the experience. We're coming to closing, and you've closed the property for us. What are the most important pieces of paper for me to take home and put in my lockbox, my fireproof lockbox?
Or even hurricane-proof.
Hurricane-proof, that's even better. Or what things might I want to put in my plastic bag to take with me?
You know, you will get a roster of documents. If you're buying a house, you might have a mortgage with mortgage documents. You'll have a closing statement, a deed, a title insurance policy. Of all of those things, keep the title insurance policy. We can always get a certified copy of the deed for you from the public records, but the title insurance policy won't be there. You'll have the original, the only original. Now, if our office does the closing, we'll keep a copy in our records probably for 10 years, maybe for 20. But for your own purposes, you want that title policy. You also want a copy of the closing statement for you or for your accountant, whoever does your taxes. They'll say thank you later on.
And it's something that we as a company also provide that service, because we have a lot of people who come back and ask for those details. But why is it so important to keep a copy of the title insurance?
When you obtain a piece of property, I sometimes have people call and ask the threshold question: should I get title insurance at all?
Oh, that's an even better question.
My first response is, I do. I pay for it myself. It's a policy of insurance you pay for one time. It lasts the rest of your life. It says that if you're buying it from Bob Jones, that Bob Jones owns this piece of property. There are no liens, encumbrances, judgments, mineral right exceptions, any claims on it other than those that are specifically set forth on the policy. As I say, you pay for it once, there's no annual premium thereafter, and it lasts forever. Even after you sell a piece of property, you might sign a warranty deed when you sell it. If there's a title insurance defect that arises 5 years from now, they'll come back to you because of that warranty deed, but you've still got your title insurance policy.
Ah, okay. So that's something that we always want to keep in our fireproof box.
That's right.
In perpetuity. So it's something you never want to throw away with.
That's right.
Throw away. Is there anything else that you'd like to add that in your real estate background that you'd like to tell people about, that you think is important for them to know with regard to real estate, using a law firm or anything like that?
Well, of course, we're fans of using law firms for real estate closings. We think that there is a value-added aspect there. We provide essentially the same service that a title company does, but you get the benefit of having attorney counsel and advice through the process. You also want to be careful to use responsible real estate brokers who do their work ahead of time.
Okay.
Because a good real estate closing should be anticlimactic. That is, a broker like Candy will do all of the detail work ahead of time. So you don't come to the closing table and say, oh, I should have thought of this, this, and this. Candy thought of that, that, and that yesterday. So when you get there, it's a happy occasion.
Yes, absolutely.
One of the reasons I always wanted to practice real estate. Someone wanted to sell, someone wanted to buy, and when you come, it should be a happy occasion rather than bickering and fighting.
Exactly. I'd like to thank you very much for visiting our website. And again, you can find information about Bill Seider on our website, and offers great legal advice. And thank you for visiting.